Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enroll with Zelle on M&T Bank. Without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. Log into your accounts, or if you don't have any account on M&T Bank, then sign up or apply for a new account. Just click on this login button at the top right corner and you will land it on the login interface of M&T. Enter your user ID and passcode, then click on login button. Here M&T Bank themselves have guided you how to enroll with Zelle on M&T Bank. You can click on this button to enroll with Zelle. Just log in and you will see the interface. Now, how to receive money. Log in, just like I said before. Simply log into M&T's online banking or mobile app and select send money with Zelle to get started. Enroll. Enroll in Zelle with the US mobile number and email address where the money was sent. Then receive. Once you have completed the one-time enrollment process, you can begin receiving money from people you know and trust. Short and simple, right? That's all for today's video. Hope you found this video helpful. Give us a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.